In our today's class, we will study where in the GST Act it is told that one has to pay GST on goods and services. That is told in section 9. Section 9 is nothing but the charging section. Section 9 is nothing but the charging section, or you can call it as levy section, which says GST has to be paid on transactions. So we will study section 9 now. To start with, we are going to begin with section 9 subsection 1. Section 9 subsection 1 talks about 5 important aspects. Though it is written in an entire paragraph, we are dividing it into 5 points and studying it one by one. Let us understand all these 5 points by taking a simple example. Say I am a seller of sports bike and I am located in Gujarat. So I sell sports bike. Even my customer is there in Gujarat. So I am from Gujarat, my customer is also there in Gujarat. So if I am selling a bike to him, is this an intrastate transaction or interstate transaction? This is an intrastate transaction. So section 9 subsection 1 says, there shall be levied CGST on all intrastate transaction. So on all intrastate transaction, there is CGST. Now it says, continues, it says on all goods and services there is CGST, but excluding alcoholic liquor for human consumption. So CGST is on all goods and services. On all goods and services there is CGST, but on alcoholic liquor for human consumption there is no CGST. So that is the second aspect. The third aspect is, it says the value determined under section 15. Now coming back to our example, I am the seller of sports bike and I am selling the sports bike to a customer in Gujarat. Now the question is, should I pay GST? Now you will say it is an intrastate transaction, I need to pay CGST. Now I'll ask one more question, on what value? On what value should I pay? Say the rate is 28%. The GST rate on sale of sports bike is 28%. But on what value I should calculate this 28%? Say the value of the sports bike is 10 lakh rupees and I gave a discount of 1 lakh and I am selling that bike for balance 9 lakh rupees. The value is 10 lakh. After giving discount, I am selling for 9 lakh rupees. Now you tell me, should I collect GST on entire 10 lakh or should I calculate on 9 lakh? So how to calculate this value is written in section 15. So section 15 talks about how to calculate the value, and more about it we are going to learn in the 5th chapter. So it first tells on all intrastate transactions there is CGST. CGST is on all goods and services except alcohol. The third one, it says the value as determined under section 15. Then we will see the 4th point. Now the 4th point talks about GST rate. In our first chapter we learned that the rate of GST is determined by GST Council. So they recommend the rate to the government and government says, okay, this is the rate of GST on this particular goods or services. Now one question comes, can they say any rate they want? Can they say on sports bike the rate is 80%? That is where the restriction under 9.1 comes. The 9.1 says, the section 9.1 says, GST rate, yes, is prescribed by GST Council, but it cannot exceed 20%. So what is the maximum rate of GST? Maximum rate of CGST is 20%. I repeat this line. Maximum rate of CGST is 20%. I am selling a sports bike and the rate is 28%. Now you may ask me again. I only said maximum CGST is 20% and I am saying the rate on sports bike is 28%. How it is possible? When I said the sports bike GST rate is 28%, it is not 28% entire CGST. It is 14% CGST, 14% SGST, right? So maximum CGST rate can be 20%. Maximum CGST is 20% and on sports bike it is 14% as of now. So that is the 4th point. The 5th point is, who has to pay GST now? Who has to pay GST? The section 9 subsection 1 says only taxable person have to pay GST. So in our previous class we have already learned who is a taxable person. So if one is a taxable person and if he is making any intrastate supply of goods or services except alcoholic liquor for human consumption, then he needs to pay CGST. Now to revise the entire section 9 subsection 1, the entire 5 points. The first point it said CGST is paid on all intrastate supplies. The second point says on all intrastate supplies of goods and services except alcoholic liquor for human consumption. Then the third point says the value. How do you calculate the value? The value will be calculated under section 15. The fourth point says at what rate you have to pay. The rate can be anything which is determined by GST Council, but it cannot exceed 20%. The last point it says all this tax has to be paid by a taxable person. So if a person is not a taxable person at all, then he need not pay GST.